We don't have access to small-scale industries where we can add value to this plantain. We have also been made to understand that there is virtually no part of plantain or banana that is wasteful. My small training recently by the World Bank has made me to understand that even the peels of plantain can be converted into oil, edible oil. No part is wasted at all. Even the overripe plantain, where sometimes you discard and say, no, this one is rotten, it could be turned into jam, it could be turned into alcohol, it could be turned into so many things. But do we have the technical know-how? No. Government should do something in that respect and provide these small-scale industries or fabricate them and then subsidize them so that they are affordable to the farmers. In terms of flour, though I have not had an experience of that nature, but I sympathize with my fellow farmers who have experienced that. You see, when there is flour, like recently in Bayelsa, I have some few friends, when it happened, they ran to Calabar and were laughing. Government is not encouraging those affected by this report. How? We have emergency management teams everywhere. In a situation where, like one of us said, he lost virtually everything, and government is just only coming to give you a blanket, a basin, a cup of rice, and you are left with just nothing financial. I don't know how far that can help us. So pushing the shock experienced by the farmers.